there, I'm Lena, lead designer at Annie's, and I'm giving you a warm welcome as we begin this quick stitches and tips episode of Annie's Creative Studio. Today I will show you how to create the snowberry stitch. It's a super cute chevron texture using 2 colors and puff stitches. Isn't this a cute texture? I can see it being used in a scarf, or why not an afghan if you like big projects. If you are a member, you can download this great pattern now. If you're not a member yet, you can sign up to start watching and download patterns for free today. But now, let's make some snowberries together.